If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and click that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon so that you get notified each time we upload an epic video. Hi, welcome back to Big All. In this video, we are going to unfold ROG Zircon headphones. So let's get started. This is the package. Let me unwrap this package. Let's check out what do we get along with these headphones. The packaging is attractive. On the top we can see ROG branding. It does come with multiple earbuds, so the hearing experience will be fantastic. Here we get two extra earbuds. The headphones do come with a microphone. It is useful for making phone calls. As you can see, it's an in-ear category headphones. When it comes to design, these are the best looking earphones I have ever used. The color scheme is really addictive. Besides, the sound quality is pretty dynamic and the bass is really amazing. If you are looking for a well-balanced sound, these headphones for you. You can find on Amazon for just under 1200 rupees. Thanks for watching this video.